Hey, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing today? Hey, listen, you guys already know my name is Yusef Scott, also referred to as the Forex GOAT. You guys are here watching this video. You guys could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here watching this video. You're looking to get insight on new strategies, wisdom, new concepts. You guys have come to the right place. As I always tell you guys, if you're not yet connected with me on Facebook or on Instagram, get connected. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, get subscribed. This is where it goes down. Alright? Now listen. This video today is going to be about how much I can guarantee that you, as a Forex trader, underneath my training, how much I can guarantee that you could make in the Forex market. This is a topic that's not always talked about, but I'm going to break this down for you guys because I get this question all the time. All the time. People, they come, different, varying levels of knowledge. They come and they ask me, hey, Mr. Scott, how much, I see you doing this and that in the market, but how much can you guarantee I can make, or how much can I make in the market if I deposit this inside of my account? Let me explain this to you guys. I'm going to break it down for you very well. First and foremost, I will never tell anyone that I guarantee you that you would make a set amount of money in a set amount of time with a set amount inside of your account. One thing for certain is that's unethical. Secondly, it's illegal. I'll never say that. I want you guys to know this. If you're brand new to trading Forex is risky. Okay? You can have the best strategy in the world, and guess what? The market will not respect your strategy. As I tell my students, my strategy works. It's a darn good strategy. But oftentimes, you'll find that it won't work. And I'm saying this out loud to everyone. There's no strategy that's 100%. It's none. So guess what? You have to be selective in hand-picking your trades. You have to. You can't just trade everything. That's why I'm very selective. I take a few trades a month. That's it. Very few. But I let them run. Okay? Now, keep that in mind. If you're trading Forex, the market is very volatile, unpredictable. I'm no magician, as I tell my students. I'm no magician. I can easily handpick certain setups and say, you know what, I see where this market is going. You guys have seen me do that. Trade alerts, you guys have seen that. I mean, been doing that for a couple years now. Very accurate. Sometimes, like, I'll tell you this and the next day, boom! Next day, boom! It's amazing. But I'm no magician to tell you. Now, I can make predictions as far as where it's going to go. But I'm no magician. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to go right to this level, spot on. Not level, but this price. We can do that. Ballpark. That's not something that, I want you guys to know that I'm no magician. I'm not going to tell you guys that you can do something that I know that's impossible. I'm going to give you guys the real. Trading Forex is risky. You'll never get me to guarantee that you're going to make a set amount. That's illegal. That's unethical. It isn't fair. I've had a couple people. I've had one person that I can remember this past week within the last 2 weeks, had messaged me on Facebook or Instagram. I think it was Instagram, and they wanted to know how much could they make. And I had to. I know it was a gentleman. And I had to let him know, hey, listen, I can't make any guarantees. The market, you know, there are so many different variables with the market, how the market moves, that can change things so fast. So I could never tell you that I'm guaranteeing you that the market is going to do this. I'm guaranteeing you that you're going to be able to make, you put your $350 inside of your account or your $700 inside of your account and you're going to flip it to $2,100. I said, listen, that's not me. I'm not going to tell you that. I said, and you know, I can easily tell you what you want to know. I could easily say, hey, listen, yeah, you're going to take your 300 and you're going to make it, you're going to turn it into 3,000 in 3 weeks, just to get people to sign up. Come on now, it's not about that. You know, I want to give people, you know, the best wisdom possible, so you can think about it. It makes sense. You know, it isn't fair to tell people that, you know, you're going to flip your money. You know, for one, I train a lot of people, but there's no guarantee that you're going to follow my instructions. I feel confident about my training, but I can't guarantee that you're going to follow what I'm telling you. If you're coming with prior knowledge, prior training from this person, that person, this group, that group, and you're battling that, all this knowledge you're battling up here, when it comes times to apply it, you're like, oh, this person said do this. This person said do that. And that's one of the problems. That's one of the reasons why people, they lose, because now they're fighting with all this knowledge, all this information, misinformation, and they don't know what to apply first. So, you know, just know this. Before I make this video too long, just know this. I'll never, there is no guarantee. I make no guarantees. There are no guarantees in terms of how much you can make, how much time it's going to take you to get to a certain dollar amount inside of your account. Because I can't guarantee that you're going to follow my instructions. So how could I guarantee anything? There are no guarantees. So with that, really think about this. People who tell you, listen, I guarantee that this is going to happen, that's, you may want to steer, you may want to think twice about that, because it isn't ethical, you know. It isn't fair, because a lot of people are in bad financial situations, and they really hope and they really want to believe people. You know, I want you guys to believe what I'm telling you, but I'm not going to pull the wool over your eyes and just tell you anything so you could just come and sign up. It's not about that, you know. And that's what people, they fail to realize about how I am. I'm going to be honest and straightforward with you. I'm not going to lie to you just because, you know, I'm operating a business and I want you to sign up. Yes, I'll love to train you, but I'm not going to deceive you just to get you to sign up. Because at the end of the day, if I'm lying to you, oh, it's going to come out at some point. So it's best to just be straight up and honest and let you make that decision for yourself. And just like the gentleman, he told me, say, you know, I really appreciate your honesty, because most people wouldn't have said that. Yeah, I mean, if you decide not to get trained by me, that's fine. But at least I'm honest with you. And at least if you come back and you're willing to learn, then we can handshake and we can get down to business. But other than that, no. I'm making no guarantees, because I cannot predict the market in a way where, you know, I don't have this inside scoop. I'm very great with what I do, but I don't have the inside scoop. I don't have my ear to these folks that they're on the inside. That's not me. I just know how to analyze the markets. You guys have seen that. But even with that, I still won't make no guarantees, because as a businessman, it isn't right. You can't do it. All right? So regardless, I won't let money control, you know, how I operate my business, how I conduct business. It's going to be straight business, and that's what it is. All right? So I just want to let you guys know there are no guarantees that I'm making in terms of how much you're going to make, you know, how long it's going to take, or anything. No guarantees. Okay? You guys have a fantastic day. Remember, I'm Yusef Scott, the Forex GOAT. If you're not yet connected with me on Facebook, Instagram, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, man, get subscribed. You guys are going to get the real. All right? Peace.